Okay. Do a flyby.
Good luck with that. I'll try.
Could do it by the road. Chase him, chase him.
Okay, I can't.
Oh! Does it record sound?
Yeah. I know what's going on. I have a cheap receiver in it.
Crash and burn.
Hey, got out of the tree. That's the big thing. Okay, good. We got that.
Yeah.
Hey, it's some YouTube channel content. Okay. This is why I always have fire points all the time, but no one can film me.
Okay, I'll film it.
So if you're going to film me, I'm good.
Do it coming right at me. I'll stand on there and go like,
done.
What?
That one busted up already. Come on, go walk. You're like flight test crew. Usually the cameraman goes out there and does the recording.
You gotta do a flyby. That's.
I can't do a flyby, but good luck with that. Well, it's out of control. It's not broken.
Whose dog's on my yard?
Huh?
Somebody's dog pooped on it. What the hell? God, this tree got big. Poor dog. What the hell? This tree's huge. I remember planting this in 1996. Just a stick like those other ones. So that was 23 years ago. Those trees out in the field is going to be at least this big. 23 years, you're going to be 40 years old. You're going to appreciate all those trees.
Fine, fine, fine. Again, like I said, that's the weakest.
Give it up.